Hello everyone! Our topic for today is about bank reconciliation. This is what we call bank recon. So what is bank reconciliation? When we say bank reconciliation, it is the process of matching the balances in an entity's account records for a cash account to the corresponding information in a bank statement. So, a bank reconciliation should be completed at regular intervals for all bank accounts to ensure that a company cash records are correct. Otherwise, it may find that cash balances are much lower than expected, resulting in a bounce check or overdraft fees. A bank reconciliation will also detect some types of fraud after the fact. This information can be used to design better controls over the receipt and payments of cash. So, what is the purpose of bank reconciliation? And why do we need for that? So, the purpose of bank reconciliation is basically to determine how much cash can be present to the statement of financial position. Okay? In bank recon, we reconcile cash per books. When you say cash per books, ito yung nasa record ng ating clients. Right? And in a cash per bank naman, basically ito yung amount of cash na shown in the bank statement. Usually monthly, nagpapadala si bank ng bank statement. Now, obviously, you have to reconcile it kasi hindi sila balanced. The reason is because of what we call the reconciling items. Okay? It's because of that. Now, let me show you the format in solving the bank reconciliation problem. And this is actually the easiest way to solve it. You have first the book side, and on the other side is the bank. Alright. Again, yung books ay record ni clients, and sa bank naman ay yung record ni bank. Clear? Okay. Now, we start with the books first. Unahin natin yung unadjusted balance. First, reconciling item is what we call credit methods. Plus, the credit memorandum. Question. What is credit memo? So, di ba, as accounting students, alam naman natin na yung difference between debit at saka credit. So, right? Tama ba ako? So, when we say credit, ito yung binabawas ni bank sa account mo. And when we say debit naman, ito yung parang nagiging additional dun sa account mo sa bank. Okay, now let's proceed. So, when we say credit memo, always remember that it proceeds from the bank of loan. Then next, minus mo yung debit memo. Debit memo naman, it means sa bank decrease, kaya mag-increase siya sa side ni book. Gets? So, you add everything, then plus and minus errors, and then you get the adjusted cash balance. So, ito yung objective mo, to compute the adjusted balance. So, ayan, ganyan yung books na side, ganyan yung format. Now, let's proceed sa side naman ni bank. So, you start with the unadjusted balance, means yung balance sa bank statement na reconciling items ni bank. So, the first one, we have the deposit in transit, means yung amount na na-deposit mo na, but it's not yet reflected in the bank. Kaya wala pa siya dun sa unadjusted balance, kaya need mo siya na i-plus. So, next is outstanding check. For example, nag-issue ako ng check of payment sa supplier, pero what I did is in-issue ko siya sa aking book. Pero tomorrow pa siya mag-clear kay bank. But, nag-entry na ako sa books ko. So, obviously, hindi siya balance. That's why, kailangan natin siya i-minus sa outstanding check sa side ni bank. Got it? So, after that, solve mo na ulit with the plus and minus errors. Then, you get the adjusted cash balance, which is our objective. So, dapat ang adjusted balance natin kay books and banks should be equal. Alright, lagi nating tatandaan yan. And the amount of that is what you will present as cash in the statement of financial position. So, ayun naman talaga yung purpose ni bank recon, di ba? Ano nga ulit yun? So, the purpose of bank reconciliation is to reconcile cash per books and cash per banks para malaman natin what is the correct adjusted cash balance we should present in the balance sheet, in the statement of financial position. Alright? So, okay, hanggang dito na lang po yung aking video tutorial and I hope na na-absorb niyo yung information about bank reconciliation. So, this is it. I am Mary Christ D. Humpay from Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. So, thank you for watching this video and goodbye.